started calling around, calling different bankers, and literally would have a 5 minute conversation with me on the phone and kind of write me off. And that was pretty disheartening.
How to avoid the landmines for a flawless home purchase. Listen, the reality is there are about a million things that can come up at the last minute to surprise a potential home buyer and disappoint them. Everybody I know knows somebody who's had a bad story around a mortgage or real estate closing transaction. And the reality is there are a ton of landmines in this process because there's so many hands in the cookie jar. It's estimated that there's over 30 third-party vendors between appraisers, title companies, insurance companies, flood insurance, that all have their hand in making a loan. And that leads to balls being dropped and disappointment. That's why we created the perfect loan process. It's a 103-step process that coordinates everybody that interacts with loan to make sure that the home financing is an enjoyable process, it's flawless, and you enjoy the experience as a home buyer.
Yeah, working with the Neo team was great, especially as a first time home buyer. I feel like I didn't even know what I didn't even know. Throw a question out there and somebody would answer me within like usually minutes.